Hello everyone, I am the eldest cousin of Hongyun Machine. Today, I'm going to show you one of ours, King of the Edger. What can it do? Madhu, straight edges, and our chamfers are fine. So without further ado, come to the product. Where are we now? I see this is this edging machine with unlimited size. Well, you can see the machine. It uses an electric lift and pressure wheel. Here's an electric motor. You can see it. The first one is our setting wheel. There are 3 stereotypes in total. In addition, it is equipped with 2 polishes to give it this added brightness. Yes, here it is. What about the 6th one? What is it then? Slot pull, this non-slip slot. Yes, it's 45 degrees glazing here. This is the lower 45 degree glazing. So here it is, straight edge polish. What about the entire conveyor belt? We used red. Why use this conveyor belt? First, increase friction. This is composite glue. Increases the friction of the conveyor belt. Number 2, we're using broadband. The width of this entire conveyor belt is 400. This is a machine edge arc. It goes from start to finish, the whole process, except for the need to adjust the knife head for the first processor. It's all continuity. Automatically lower the die, and then you have to finish it. This saves our customers more time. Efficiency can also be improved. As you can see, we are now making it on the side of the road. Here's the next corner of LL3. And then with a big hypotenuse, that's very convenient. What about this machine? The biggest feature that is, it can have no size limit. There's no need to limit the width. It can go all at once. Make this line of the entire horse to the side and polish it up. It's very intelligent. This one is polished with a straight edge, and the upper and lower guides are safe. Do it all at once. What about the entire stream-in process? It doesn't require human intervention. It is automatic lower die and automatic upper die. A straight edge effect that has just been polished. Take a close. Well, that's the end of our explanation of the edging machine in this issue. If there is anything the old lions don't understand, welcome private message Hongyun Machinery, big cousin. Let's chat together.